Hey everyone, welcome to Consumer Heaven, your daily destination for honest product reviews and practical buying guides covering everything from kitchen essentials and home gadgets to lifestyle and tech finds. Today, we're cutting through the clutter to share 5 electric gooseneck and digital kettles for 2025 that can truly upgrade your daily routine. Whether you're a coffee fanatic, tea lover, or just need boiling water fast for busy mornings, these picks are worth checking out. Stick around till the end where I'll help you decide which one might be the best fit for your family based on your kitchen style, daily needs, and how many hot drinks you're making each day. And remember, I've added the latest and best Amazon deals for every product featured in this list. You'll find them in the description and pinned comment below. So if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Let's get started. Number 5. Fellow Stag EKG Pro Studio Edition. We're starting at the luxury end with the Fellow Stag EKG Pro Studio Edition, a true barista-level tool built for precision and design lovers alike. This kettle doesn't just boil water, it tracks temperature, times your brew, and even lets you schedule when it should start heating, so hot water is ready the moment you wake up. Its matte black finish, paired with a walnut wood handle, turns it into a statement piece, not just an appliance. Why your family might love it? If someone in your house loves pour-over coffee, delicate tea, or simply enjoys fine design, this kettle adds both convenience and beauty to daily life. It's an investment, but one that brings cafe-level quality and modern style into your kitchen. Number 4. Cuisinart GK1 Digital Gooseneck Kettle. For those who value precision without complicated controls, the Cuisinart GK1 is a fantastic option. It heats water quickly with its 1200-watt power and features an ergonomic gooseneck spout for smooth, controlled pouring, essential for great pour-over coffee and specialty teas. Its digital interface is intuitive, offering just enough temperature flexibility without overwhelming new users. Why it's family-friendly? This kettle brings professional-level brewing to anyone's kitchen, whether you're hosting guests, making daily tea, or experimenting with new recipes. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs, so it works for households big or small. Number 3. 1-liter 1500W Fast Boil Gooseneck Kettle. Let's talk about raw speed and efficiency. This 1-liter gooseneck kettle with 1500 watts of power brings water to a boil faster than most standard kettles. Its stainless steel body is both stylish and BPA-free, giving you peace of mind about safety. The gooseneck spout helps you pour accurately, great for pour-over coffee, but equally useful for tea, oatmeal, or instant soups. Why your family needs it? Busy mornings become less stressful when your kettle can keep up. It's simple, reliable, and built for daily use, perfect for anyone who wants to upgrade from an older plastic or stovetop model without breaking the bank. Number 2. Elite Gourmet EKT31 Digital Kettle. If your household needs flexibility, the Elite Gourmet EKT31 stands out with its digital temperature selection. You can choose the exact heat you want, lower temps for green tea, hotter for pour-over coffee, or boiling for soup and pasta. It even has a keep warm function to maintain your chosen temperature, perfect for households where everyone makes drinks at different times. And it beeps when ready, so you don't have to guess. Why it's great for families? Multiple people can use it for different drinks, from a partner's morning coffee to your evening herbal tea or even prepping a baby's bottle. It's feature-rich without being complicated and offers impressive value for its price. Number 1. Demo Fue Gooseneck Electric Kettle. At the top of our list is the Demo Fue Gooseneck Electric Kettle, proof that a kettle can be stylish, practical, and affordable all at once. Its glossy green finish makes it an eye-catching addition to your kitchen. Built entirely from stainless steel and BPA-free materials, it holds 1 liter and heats water quickly. The slim gooseneck spout gives you precise control, perfect for coffee lovers, tea drinkers, or even carefully pouring hot water into oatmeal. Why it might fit your family best? It's fast, compact, and makes your countertop look brighter and more modern. Ideal for small kitchens, college students, or anyone wanting reliable daily performance with a touch of style. Which one is right for your family? Best on a budget? Demo Fue or 1-liter fast boil kettle. Quick, simple, and affordable. Best for versatility and smart features, Elite Gourmet EKT31. Temperature control, keep warm, and user-friendly design. Best for coffee enthusiasts and design lovers, Cuisinart GK1 or Fellow Stag EKG Pro. Elegant design, precision, and premium build. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which kettle fits your routine, or do you already own one you'd recommend? Drop your answer in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps us grow. And don't forget to subscribe to Consumer Heaven for daily deep dives, honest reviews, and curated product roundups across kitchen gadgets, home essentials, lifestyle tools, and more. Thanks for spending your time with us, and we'll see you in the next video.